The Libya-Tunisia border is 461 kilometers in length and runs from the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the tripoint with Algeria in the south. The border starts in the north on the Mediterranean coast at Ras Agadir, Algiers, proceeding overland southwards and then southwestwards via a series of irregular lines down to the tripoint with Algeria. For most of the 19th century, both Tunisia and the coastal regions of modern Libya, organized as the Vilayet of Tripolitania, were part of the Ottoman Empire, though with a large degree of de facto autonomy. France occupied Tunisia in 1881 and created a protectorate. France and the Ottomans established a border on the coast between Tunisia and Tripolitania in 1886. Which was then extended southwards down to the vicinity of Ghadam in 1892. A treaty of 19 May 1910 then delimited the border in greater detail and was then demarcated on the ground with pillars in 1910-11. In September 1911, Italy invaded Tripolitania, and the Treaty of Auchi was signed the following year, by which the Ottomans formally ceded sovereignty of the area over to Italy. Italy organized the newly conquered regions into the colonies of Italian Cyrenaica and Italian Tripolitania and gradually began pushing further south. In 1934 they united the two territories as Italian Libya. During the North African campaign of the Second World War, Italy was defeated and its African colonies were occupied by the Allied powers, with Libya split into British and French zones of occupation. Libya was later granted full independence on 2 December 1951. France granted Tunisia independence in 1956, and the border then became one between two sovereign states. In 2011, Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi was overthrown in a short civil war, which occasionally spilled over into Tunisian territory, as well, resulting in thousands of refugees crossing the border. The border remains insecure owing to the ongoing civil war in Libya.